Hello and welcome. We are discussing PYQs of number system and we will continue with our theme abstract cases. We have solved few problems already. Let's move on to the next one. Yes. In this problem, examiner says integers are listed from 700 to 1000. So in this listing, I'll find some number that will start from 7. I'll find some number that will start from 8 and finally few numbers that will start from 9. In how many integers is the sum of digits is 10? What is the meaning? So from 700 to 900 we are looking for those integers in which sum of its digit is 10. So see, first such is 703. First such number is 703. You can see the sum of digit. 7 plus 0 plus 3 is 10. Second such number is 730. 7 plus 3 plus 0 is 10. Third such number is 712. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Fourth such number is 721. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 10. Now, the next number. Fifth such number is 802. Sixth number is 820. Seventh number is 811. In all the numbers that I'm writing, I know the first digit already. So I have to make the sum of the remaining digits to be equal to 3 in this case, to be equal to 2 in this case, because over here first digit is 7. So to make the sum of all the digits to be 10, the sum of remaining must be 3. Okay, so eighth such case gonna be 910 and final case will be 901. So in these 9 integers, sum of their digits will be 10. Let's move on to the next problem. See, it says what is the number of numbers of the form 0.xy 0.xy where x and y are distinct non-zero digits. So it means x can take value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as well as y can take value from 1 till 9, but neither x nor y should be 0. They should be non-zero and at the same time distinct. Now, so let's try to handle this. So there are two techniques with the help of which we can solve this. One is bit manual, another one is we can use the concept of permutation and combination. So let's discuss both of those techniques one by one. In the first technique, let's assume x to be equal to 9 and then find out how many values are. So if I assume x to be 9, then y can be 1. If x is 9, y can be 2. If x is 9, y can be 3. If x is 9, y can be 4. If x is 9, y can be 5. If x is 9, then 96, 97, 98. But I cannot go for double 9. Both of x and y should be distinct. Okay, so this is cancelled out. So how many values are possible? 8 values are possible. So if you assume x to be equal to 9, then 8 values are possible. Done? Okay. Now, what else we can do here? See, you can assume x to be equal to 8. So y can be 1. If x is 8, y can be 2. If x is 8, y can be 3. And in this way, till x is 8 and y is 7, it is perfectly fine. But 0, x 8 as well as y is 8 is not feasible. That is absolutely wrong. But if x is 8, then y can be 9. So when you assumed x to be 8, then how many values are possible again? 8 values are possible again. Okay, see, 1 till 8, 9, how many values are possible? 8 values are possible. So for every value of x that you can assume, there are 8 different values of y that you can assume. Okay, so for every, so how many values of x are possible? 9 values. X can be 1, x can be 2, x can be 3, x can be 4. So in this way, for every different value that x can assume, there are 8 different values that y can assume. See, if x was 9, how many values y can assume was 8, and in total how many numbers we can create? 8. So 9 into 8, in total how many numbers we can create? 72 numbers we can create. So this is bit manual. Otherwise, 0.xy, we want to assume a value of x as well as a value of y. So we need x and y simultaneously. So over here we can use fundamental rule of multiplication, because we need x and y both simultaneously. So fundamental rule of multiplication can be applied. So how many different values x can assume? There are 9 different values that x can assume, 1 till 9. Now how many different values y can assume? 8. Since we need both of them simultaneously, we are using fundamental rule of multiplication. That is why 9 into 8, answer should be 72. Now, why y can take 8 values? The reason is, out of these 9, every time one value must be assigned to x. So out of remaining values, remaining 8 values, any one can be assigned to y. Hence, 72 values, answer should be option A. Please make a note of it. Let's move on. Next is this. This is one different form of representing rational number. You know what are rational number? Numbers that can be represented in the form of PYQ, right? P divided by Q, where Q should not be 0 and P and Q both should belongs to integers, and the SCF of P and Q must be 1. Okay. So how to do this thing? See, it is 1.272727 and this goes on till infinity. So this can be represented with the help of 1.27 bar. Bar after the decimal over a number means that particular number is repeating over and over again. See, over here I have placed a bar over 27. It means 27 is repeating over and over again. Okay. Now how to do this question with the help of a shortcut? So listen to me carefully. This 1.27 bar can be written as 1 plus 0.27 bar. This one separately. Now, how to convert this number into a fraction? Write down all the digits that are repeating. So in this case, 27 is repeating itself. So write down 27 as it is, divided by number of digits that are repeating. Okay, number of digits that are repeating equals to those many 9. So basically in this case, if 2 digits are being repeated, then you will put 2 9s. I hope this is clear. Now solve this. If we solve this, it will comes out to be equal to 99 plus 27 upon 99, which comes out to be equal to 126 upon 99. And if we cancel it out, see, 11 nines are, or 9 11s are 99, and 9 into 14 is 126. So 14 upon 11 is our answer, which is option B here. So this is the shortcut. Let me tell you this thing one more time. How to convert this kind of decimal into a fraction. Write down the digits that are repeated in the numerator as it is, divided by those many nines as the count of digits that are on repetition. So in this case 27 is being repeated, so two digits are repeated over and over again. So you will place how many nines? You will place 2 nines. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let me tell you the other way of dealing with this question. Now suppose x is equals to 1.27272727 and this goes on. Let's say this is your equation number 1. Now multiplying both side by 100, so it becomes 100x equal to 127.2727 and this goes on. This is your equation number 2. Now in the next step you can do equation 2 minus equation 1. So 100x minus single x on the left hand side, you will left out with 99x. On the right hand side, see 127 before decimal, 1 before decimal. So 127 minus 1 is 126. And on the other side, after decimal, it is 272727 till infinity. Over here also after decimal 272727 till infinity. So after decimal part will get negated. Now from here x will comes out to be equal to 126 upon 99, which is finally equal to 14 upon 11. Hence answer is option B. I hope class this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. It says let A, B, C represent distinct non-zero digits. Suppose x is the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers formed by A, B, C. So A, B, C are distinct non-zero digits. So see, A is a digit. So minimum value of A can be 1 and the maximum value of A can be 9. Similarly, B is a digit also. So minimum value of B can be 1 and the maximum value of B can be 9, and same conditions are there for C also. So consider the following statement. The 4-digit least value of x is 1332. Now what is x? X is the sum of all the 3-digit numbers that can be formed by these 3 digits. So ABC, ACB, BCA, BAC, CAB and CBA. So if we pick 3 different digits, so with the help of those 3 different digits, we can create 6 different numbers. So, okay, and x is sum of all those different 6-digit numbers, all those 3-digit 6 different numbers. Okay, so statement 1 says the least value of x is 1332. If you want least value of x, then you should consider least value of A, B and C. So if you consider A to be 1, then the least value that can be assigned to B is 2. Why? Because A, B and C, these 3 digits must be different, and the least value that we can assign to C is 3. Why we are doing so? Because we want our sum to be least. So if A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, so first number that I can create is 123, second number is 132, third number is 231, fourth number is 213, fifth number is 312, and final number is 321. If you add all these numbers, so this will give me the least value of x. This is gonna give me what? Least value of x. Now if you add them, just a second. So see, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. So 12, 1, 3, 3. So if you add all these, you will get x, the least value of x. Now try to understand one thing. The least value, we calculated least value of x, and it comes, a number of digit in this is how many? 4. So how come the greatest value of x will have 3 digits in it? Hence statement 1 is true and statement 2 is not right. So option A is the right choice. So I hope guys you have understood it. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, please take care and bye bye.